With this video, we are going to create a convex radius tangent to these two circles. The circle centers have been identified already for us. If they haven't been for you, you may have to find the centers of the circles using the methods taught in class. I've also labeled the circles A and B, and this is the size of our radius. That is, I've labeled that OR. So to begin with, we're going to set our compass to the radius of circle A and check to make sure that we're fairly good on the radius of circle A, and then we set our compass point at point R and identify that, or set that radius across there, and we identify this as OR minus A. That's that length, OR minus A. Then we do the same thing for circle B. We set our compass to the radius of circle B, and we set our compass point to the end of OR without changing the compass, and we set it across that line, and we identify that as OR minus B. That length from here to here will be OR minus B. Now we set our compass to point O, and we set our compass length to OR minus A. Set our compass to the center of circle A, and we'll swing an arc. Now we may want to swing that arc depending on which side of we need to do it on. We'd swing it up here. We're going to make a tangent to the top, so we'll swing that down there. And again, this is, if you want to label them, OR minus A. And then we'll do the same thing, set it to length OR minus B. And we'll set the compass point at the center of circle B, and we'll do that. Now we did, and that's OR minus B. OR minus B. Now as you can see, I didn't do my radius OR minus A quite long enough, so I have to reset that at that size and redraw, extend that radius until it intersects OR minus B. Now we have to identify where our radius is going to be tangent. So what we do is we draw a line from the intersection of those 2 points completely through the circles. This should be a construction line, and it should generate through the center of the circle all the way until it crosses the circle on the opposite side of the circle. Same thing for B. And those two lines identify where the start and the end of that radius will be. Now, we set our compass at our radius length of OR. Set our compass point to the intersection of those two. And I need to get my compass point off a little bit. If you're not exactly right, you'll adjust that. It won't match. So once I have that adjusted, I draw my radius, and that's complete.